Okay, I'm going to make this short and sweet. I'm going to press the power button. Don't need to turn on the vehicle, just press the power button. There's two outside buttons on the HomeLink. I'm going to press both of those so I can reset and delete any saved codes that are on the HomeLink. I'll press and hold that button until the LED light starts blinking rapidly. After that's done, I'll just go ahead and grab the garage door opener, and then I'm going to press the garage door opener at the same time as I'm pressing the button that I want to program. Once the light starts blinking rapidly, that's when you know it successfully learned the code. However, this one here is going to use the rolling code method, which the rolling code method is you're going to press the learn button on the back of your lift in your garage. You got about 30 seconds to go back over to the vehicle, and then you're going to press the same button that you wanted to program 3 times. And after you press it 3 times, it'll learn it, and then you're going to be good to go. If for some reason it doesn't work, just repeat the process.